As a business owner, stay control in your business, and running your operation efficiently is the key to have a successful business. The faster we can access insights and predictions, the better the decision we'll make. But with so much data in our hand, either through reports or dashboard, making it very hard on us to utilize this data in our day-to-day operation. So for examples, if you want to dive into your finances to find out what's the highest revenue day to focus your marketing effort on, or you want to find out what's the stock level, or even checking on your inventory level, this process to find out the answers, it can take hours if not days, just going through dashboards and different reports to come up with the right answer. You might even need a financial or a marketing expert to come up with those simple insights. And obviously this is to slow down our ability to make fast informed decision, which makes it a big disadvantage in today's fast-paced business world. In this video, I will show you how you can overcome those challenges and make better decisions through a case study of one of my clients. For whoever didn't know me, my name is Carlos Himay. I'm the co-founder and the CEO of Utiva. Throughout my career, being working with business owners to help them identify the area of their business that need improvement, utilizing technology and different AI solutions to help them overcome those challenges and improve their business efficiency. And recently, we have come up with a new product. It's called Utiva Next Gen. We have developed this product through our experiences, work across different industries from finance, logistics, supply chains, and e-commerce. And the reason we have built it, because we have built it so many times to our clients, then we have decided to actually launch it to the market. But we still take a very few clients at the time, so we can make sure we have provide them the right service. And because we have tried this product on our clients for many years now, we give a lifetime 100% satisfaction guarantee to all our clients. So let me demonstrate how Utiva Next Gen works through a case study, as I mentioned before, of one of our clients who runs an online marketplace like Amazon. So Utiva Next Gen, the process is simple. It starts with you collecting the data across all your business aspects, from finance, operational, any type of data that your business might have. It could be a text data like reviews, it could be numbers data like finance, and we'll collect it from all the devices, either IoTs or any kind of dashboards you're already utilizing in your day. So basically, we don't need to change any business structure, we add it into it. And sometimes even we integrate an external type of data, like let's say weather data or anything like that, to give you the full picture of your data and to enhance its efficiency. The second step, once we collect all this data, we start building algorithm and enhancing the data efficiency by connecting dots into it to come up with a better data, to make better predictions, to achieve accuracy that can go up to 97%. And by the way, all this happened on your private server, so there's nobody will have access to this data. It will stay private and secure. And if you don't have a cloud server, we build one for you. And it comes with our service anyway, because we want to make sure it's safe and secure. The last step will integrate your algorithm we have built based on your data to Utiva Next Gen AI model, which uses cutting-edge technologies like NLP, language models like ChatGPT, and machine learning and deep learning. This system has a chatbot interface, so you can interact with your algorithm and ask it questions and take insights, and you also can ask about predictions and forecasting things like sales forecasting, or you can even predict machine failures, or it depends on the type of your data and the things you want to predict. And I just wanted to emphasize the difference between this is not just an AI tool you can upload your data on, you're start analyzing it like ChatGPT, because when you do this through a tool like ChatGPT or either AI tool, you give the language model your data. But in this case, with Utiva Next Gen, your data is still secure on your server, and the only model you be training is your AI model. So you have a complete ownership with this AI model. So now let's dive in and see the kind of interactions you can have through the case study, as we mentioned before, of one of our clients who runs an online marketplace like Amazon. So let's dive in. So imagine being able to ask those couple of questions you see right now on the screen, like who are my high value customers? Which customers are most likely to churn? How can I predict future customer behaviors? How can I optimize delivery routes to reduce shipping times? And also you can even get deeper into the product enhancement and ask what's the top performing product and what's the specifications of the best products have sold so far. So all these questions, it will take you days and hours to actually find through the reports and the dashboards you have. This AI model provides you real-time insight, help you make decision instantly as you interact with Utiva Next Gen. And one of the best part I really like about this model, it learns from your data and improves its recommendations over time. The self-learning system becomes more attuned to your business needs, offering tailored advice based on real-time information. The beauty of Utiva Next Gen, as I said, because it's a self-learning model, so it's evolving all the time. The more you use it, the better it gets. The more data you'll feed it, the better and the smarter it will be, and the more will understand about your business. And over time, because you will have different versions, so let's say every 2 or 3 months, you will test the version you will have and you will see its accuracy and what's the level of intelligence it has at this point. So I want you to think of Utiva Next Gen, it's like a virtual SEO. It's like a brain. The more information is, the more you can educate it about your business, the better it will be. And as all of us understand about AI is more intelligent than any human being because it can find patterns in your data through the real-time insights you're giving it. And if you want to look at the bigger picture, don't look at this tool today. Look at it in 6 months, a year, or 2 years from now. It will help you avoid mistakes because it will learn from every mistakes you made and it will make sure when you repeat it again. Because it's not like us as a human being, we forget things and we attempt to avoid and we have emotionals, and that's why sometimes that stop us from making the right decision. But with a tool like this, it will make it crystal clear to us the decision we need to make based on future references and based on accurate predictions to the future. And to help you get started, we work closely with our clients to implement this system step by step to make sure the process is smooth. And by the way, this process wouldn't even take more than 2 months. It's easy and it's a very, very efficient and smooth in your operation. So you don't need to change anything. You basically take in this model and just plug it into your system and let it do its thing, and you can take the insights and understand your business from it more. And with Utiva Next Gen, we offer a lifetime support along with the regular upgrades because we all the time we upgrade certain things and enhance its capabilities. So things like triggers and automation, it's one of the features we're working on right now, and it's coming on the next upgrades. So maybe by you watching this video, it might Utiva Next Gen has it, or maybe on the next couple of months the model over has it. Since we are dedicated to give each client the attention it's need at first to understand it and help you to work with it, we have a limited amount of spots available to take clients at this moment. I personally qualify every client we work with. So if you're ready to take the next step, you'll find the link somewhere around the screen to schedule a consultation meeting so we can look at your business and see how Utiva Next Gen can help your business. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.